Yes, I know it needs an exhaust. So guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Steve, also by the license plate Nade from Nade West. You can see from the title, we are installing exhaust tip finishers and a reflector light, a new reflector light. As you can see, the reflector light from the startup was red. I used to have the one that set a cord, you know, and then it was red when it was on daytime, and then it'll have the amber turn signal and has a brake light function. I used to have those, but they broke because I didn't install them properly. Well, I installed them properly, it's just I left the wires hanging, so they got corroded, and you know, the light ended up going out, which that's my fault. I mean, I didn't really care at the time. So yeah, we're gonna go pick it up from the UPS store because I told them to hold it for pickup. Because if you don't live near the UPS office, you know how long it takes for them to deliver. Sometimes they deliver it mad late, and it gets dark at 5 p.m. now in New York, and I ain't trying to wait until it gets dark out trying to install it now. So let's go pick it up and get it installed. Give you a mini vlog, I guess. I don't know, I don't really vlog on here. I'm trying to vlog more, but we'll see how this one goes. My little chrome piece right there, my blackout trim fell off. As you can see, I got the package right here, so I'm gonna see y'all when I get home. So yeah, see y'all there. And we back. Let's get this open. Yeah, here's a package. Apparently there's another box in here, so I'm trying to open this box. So well, here they are. Apparently, I looked through this box and I'm missing a whole order, which is the reflector light. So yeah, guys, I looked through the box. I didn't see my other order. So I did contact Action Auto. They did send the receipt, and it literally shows exactly what I ordered. And I only received this one right here. I didn't receive the top one, which I'm kind of annoyed because now I have to wait till the 28th of November for them to respond. And today it's currently I believe the 16th of November. So yeah, we'll just get this installed, and then hopefully they respond quick enough before the 28th. But if not, then I have to wait probably till December to receive the lights. And I ordered this back in November 10th, I think I ordered this, and I gotta wait all the way till December to receive lights, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. All right, so let me show you guys the exhaust tips. These are the Yofer Exhaust tip finishers. So that's how it looks. So this is how it looks. I think this is the passenger side, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, this is Yofer's designs. If you have the diffuser and you don't have an exhaust, or if you do, if you have like the boiler exhaust, I know the boiler exhaust doesn't have exhaust tips on it, then you could get this just to, like, you know, complete the rear end and make it look nice. So yeah, I'm gonna get this installed. So let's get to removing that rear bumper. This car is dirty right now because it's been raining, and it rained yesterday. I'm not gonna wash it because it's supposed to rain all week. But start off, we're gonna unscrew 2 screws. So here's 1 and here's 2. I think there's clips underneath. I'll show you the clips underneath. And obviously on the other side, the same thing, 2 screws, and there's just a bunch of clips underneath you're gonna remove. And then after that, you're gonna have to open your trunk. So I'm gonna show you what you have to do when you open your trunk. So let's first remove the screws on each side. I also forgot to mention there is a screw right here. You can't really see that, but there's a screw right here. You reach inside of it, you'll notice it. You just, it's like right here, you're just gonna take that screw out. For the next part of the bumper, we're gonna remove this right here and this on each side. I'm gonna remove this right here. I don't know what size that would be. I have Allen keys. I think it's maybe this one, the 3/16 maybe. I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, 3/16 fits in here. So use a 3/16. Use a 3/16 Allen to remove it on each side. Now that's all removed, we are going to remove clips from under here. There's going to be a bunch of clips. There's only a certain amount you're going to remove. I'm going to try my best to show you exactly which ones you have to remove. But yeah, let's go under there and let me show you. All right, so we're under the vehicle, so we're going to remove clips. There's one right here. There's a clip right here on each side. And then we're going to remove the clips that are attached to the body, which will be this clip right here, the other one over there. I think there's only 4 clips that's holding this bumper on. So yeah, I'm gonna remove those and I'll get back to y'all. All right guys, so I removed all the clips underneath. You can see there's a clip right there. And I took off the rest over here. I ended up breaking one, as you can see. I broke that one because that one was stuck in there. So I'm gonna take this off, pull the taillight out, because I think when you pull it out, the bumper could damage your taillight. So we're gonna take the taillight off, remove the bumper, and then we're just gonna place the taillight back in so the bumper doesn't get damaged, or the taillight doesn't get damaged. We're at the OEM exhaust finishers, as you can see. These are the OEM ones. It is held on by 3 bolts. So we're gonna remove the 3 bolts. I believe it is a 8mm. It's a 8mm. So we're gonna unscrew the 3, take them off, and put the new one on. Okay, these are the OEM ones. These are huge. Only the sport models come with these. I don't really like them, so I'm taking these off. This is the driver's side, fitted it on. They did say you may have to bend a little bit of the brackets to get it to fit perfectly, so just keep note of that. If it doesn't line up for you guys, remember you could bend the brackets to make it fit up perfect. As you guys can see, I just put it on there. I didn't put everything back on yet, but I just wanted the exhaust tips to be seen because that's what this video is about. It's supposed to be about the exhaust tips and the reflector, but obviously Exgen didn't send out the reflector. Something on there, and I contacted them. Hopefully they get that corrected. But yeah, this is how the exhaust tip looks. If you have a diffuser, which I'm getting soon, this will look 100 times better, but for now I like how it looks. So yeah, once I get that diffuser in, it's definitely gonna look amazing. So yeah. Be it for the installation of these Yofer exhaust tips. I do like how they look on the car. I am going to get a diffuser to go with it to make it look good at the rear, but for now this is how I'm gonna keep it. Thank you for watching. Obviously I'm gonna put everything back together. As you can see, the reflector wires hanging below it, but I just put everything on just to show right now. But thank you for watching. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'm out.